Trick, hack. You've got a lattice cutter. These things are awesome, right? But what they do need is they need flour to be able to run smoothly throughout the pastry. Otherwise, what you'll find is it will actually stick to the lattice cutter itself. So, be generous. The other little trick is, you've got this paper. You need to use this paper. What I always do is I don't start right at the end. I start about half a centimetre in, so you can hold on to the pastry to stop it from going. And then just...
You need to press quite firmly,
You
don't
do
you?
need to press firmly, yeah. Start. Look at this. Look at this. You'll get this amazing lattice work. And you do have to work a little bit gentle with your fingers, just to make sure they come through. So.
Again, I was surprised when I did it how easy it is to make it look good.
Oh, it is. It is. You just have this part. You just have to be a little bit delicate with. You just start pulling it out like so.